Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and as you can see, we've got the Every Little Thing You Do is Magic Tarot. It's a new tarot deck by Callie Little with the with Moorea seal, and it's got a little book, your tarot cards, and then this, which is a little, it's something that you pop together to leave your, so you can stand your card a day. So you just slot your card in there like that. So that's a really cool idea. And then this was designed to act as an altar. So they designed it so that you could leave it up as an altar, and then you pop some incense in here and some crystals or things like that for your day. And you have your card. So it's a special little area, really. It's a lovely idea. So let's pop that in there. Now the book, each of the cards, I mean, we know the tarot decks anyway, we'll have a look at the cards in a minute, but with each of the cards, there's also the element of she's popped, well, they, sorry, have attached a crystal, some music, and some scent. So you're using your other senses to go with that card. I'm assuming if you really want to do some meditative work with it, or if you want to tune into the energies. So these are the, and then she talks, there's a section here where they go into the actual element of the wands. So what have you got at the beginning of the book, sub-book? So you've got information about theirs, numerology, card spreads, and all of the major goes into the minor, and then each of them, you've got this one of these black sheets that shows you the element of that suit. So there you've got cups, goes right through, and then there should be, have you got any deck spreads? I think they'll be at the beginning, won't they? Cardboard spreads, there we go. So that's the book and the box. So let's pop that to one side and take a look at these cards. They are quite big. They're quite a large tarot deck. I can still shuffle them. So these are the backs. These very modern, they're like a linen feel. They're very thick quality, they're good. There's a slight linen feel to them. Okay, so let's have a look. So the majors, you've got, don't know if you can hear, but there's a holocraft. Oh my word, Maria. A helicopter going overhead at the moment. There's a lot of animals, aren't they? So lovers, you've got the pearls. So you don't have the human characters, you have the animal characters in here. Oh, lovely. With the odd human element. So you've got the hands. I'd always think that the hanged one or the hanged man is about surrender. So temperance getting. So they've taken the key symbols from the Rider-Waite and using those so that you still have the essence of the card in the traditional sense of the word. And we've got the wolf and the domestic dog. So I must remember not to go through too quickly. Judgment. And then wands. So you've got the home in the back. So you've still got the key symbols. You see, everybody's pulling on the 5 wands. So you don't have to have the characters. And then it's a beautiful. Oh, beaver. Beavering away. And then we have, they've changed the names of these, and they're very magical witch orientated. So you've got the apprentice, then the champion for the knight, and the oracle for the female, and the elder for the king. So sorry, the queen rather. The queen is the oracle and the elder is the king. So then we have cups. What do you think of these? Let me know. We don't have to, it's not compulsory, but it would be nice to know what you think. I have an issue with snakes, I must admit. Even when they're illustrated, I've got 1,000 eyes looking at this. This is when the wolves, not the wolves, the foxes, isn't it? So again, we've got the apprentice, which is the page, the champion, which is the knight, the female, or the queen. I'm doing it again, the queen and the king. Then with the swords, very transformative, aren't they? So it's lovely that they've got the butterfly. You can choose your weapon. They've got the swords. Very muted colour, aren't they? And I'm enjoying the fact that they're not shining at you with the overhead light, which is quite nice. I do prefer it when they're not glossy, I have to say. They feel slightly older then as well. Having said that, I'm a typical like shiny things. So 2 of, but just not shiny cards. They are cute. They're very much an animal deck, I would say, wouldn't you? Old money, 10 of Pentacles, isn't it? Right, so we've got the apprentice, and these are the last of the cards. An odd choice, isn't it? A toad. Okay, so I don't know if she actually does, or if they, I've got to say, if they actually give you an idea about why they chose the images. Let me have another little look through this. Did I have some interference then with spirit? Yes, they do. They'll say something. No, that's the wrong thing to look at actually. If we go for one of the animals, let's have a look at the... And do you think I can find an animal after I mention? So this is a pig, isn't it? Oh, just around the card. No. They've chosen what they've chosen. Lucky sometimes. I mean, it's a really, really cool little deck, actually. As I say, it's not little, though. It is a larger deck to handle. But lovely. And it's done really well. Literally, I've had it in the store and sold out immediately. So I think this one's going to do quite well, actually. I don't need to do that in front of you now. Okay, so I'm going to pop that away. And thank you very much for your time. I hope you've liked it. Bye-bye now.